And in ways down the river, residents in the city of Buffalo are working to ensure the safety of their community. Tonight, News 8's Cesar Sanchez shows us how it's all about neighbors helping neighbors.
It's all hands on deck in Buffalo.
We definitely appreciate all the help that we've been getting.
In the last few days, Josh Furco and his team are making a difference. Bag by bag.
It's got a hopper on it that we fill with sand. That automatically has a conveyor that when somebody hits that switch, it fills that bag perfectly. Somebody else will take that bag, tie it, stack it, and then from there it'll go onto a pallet.
His team consisting of neighbors looking out for each other.
So there's 9 employees from Upper Mississippi Fleeting. They're definitely a part of the community.
The help doesn't stop there. These neighbors stop by to load their trucks with pallets of sandbags. Butch Brookhart says he takes them around town to those who need them.
It just seemed like we've gained a lot of knowledge since then, putting our heads together. It's like just one big family.
A big family that helps each other.
So all we got to do this year is this door. That's all we're going to do.
Steve Van Heck says they couldn't be ready without the city's help.
The city's been great this year. They made all the bags for you. They've always done it, but this is the best year. They really got some volunteers or somebody working on it.
A big family coming together for another year of floods.
Done it. Tired of it.
In Buffalo, Cesar Sanchez, WQAD News 8.
And with the help of volunteers, the city was able to fill and distribute 7,500 sandbags on Wednesday and upwards of 3,000 today. Some of these volunteers include students from Davenport West High School and Buffalo Elementary School.